Creating an animated number that is separated by commas every 1000 might seem simple. I will show you the easiest way I've come up with to achieve this. First, I will show a version with a chart of the sum's growth, which is not necessary if you only want the number itself. At the end, I will present a simple version with just the number. First, we create an object. Insert a rectangle, which will serve as a mask for the background node. Set the rectangle accordingly to cover the entire height of the y-axis. Add another rectangle and set x and y to 1. At the transform, move the pivot y-axis to 0 and check Use the size aspect and the y size modify with an anim curve. Adjust the scale between 0 and 1. Set the time scale to 2 and adjust the easing. Next, combine them through a merge and set operator to mask. We need to pin the transform node, add text and connect it through the merge node. In the text node, add an expression and link it to the y size of the transform node. And then the most important part, rewriting of our expression. It's written in the description of the video. If you ever need it, it will be there. You can make a few adjustments to the expression. 05D determines how many characters are displayed at the beginning of animation. You can change it, for example, to 010D to display 10 digits, or leave it at %D to start with just 10. If you want to show the decimal places, then you write %0.2f. However, if you want to show, for example, 3 zeros at the beginning, you need to write %06.2f, because dot is counted too, so minimum to add 1 zero at the beginning is 05.2f. The value is determined by this multiplier and the y size parameter in the transform node. To adjust the value, simply change the scale in the transform node, modifiers scale. Now, how to create a simplified version? You only need a text node for this. There is a tab spacing parameter here. It will serve as a value setter for us. Again, set the anim curve. The address of the line is tab 1 alignment, so just copy and paste it into the expression. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video and I look forward to seeing you next time.